Oh my god. Be prepared, as giant saws will take you into the brutal world of logging. Like a beast in the jungle, the Tiger Cat L times 830D minus a logger with a 300 horsepower engine and a sharp hot saw system rushes into giant tree trunks. Its decisive and stable cutting power helps it handle each tree in the blink of an eye. Continuing the impressive series of equipment, the Stihl MS661 chainsaw comes with a 71 centimeters long Rollomatic ES light bar that can easily conquer a gray poplar tree up to 150 centimeters long. With a nearly 7 horsepower engine, the machine delivers powerful, fast, and precise cutting performance. Oh no, this is a clear example of the consequences of cutting timber without proper experience.
Here goes, and it's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh!
You'll surely be amazed by the power of the Hyundai stump puller. With its durable design and advanced technology, the machine effortlessly pulls out tough stumps, saving time and effort while delivering exceptional results in forestry work. Wow, if you're afraid of heights, cutting trees with this powerful chainsaw, featuring impressive engine power and horsepower, will surely make you hold your breath. The chainsaw operates with immense strength, quickly processing trees, but it's also full of challenges and risks. As shown in the previous video, the trio was working on the cliff, and now the trio of Swaco S500, MJK 480 DTX, and Mary Crusher with their huge horsepower engines roar fiercely, sweeping away all kinds of dense trees. The mechanical spectacle is breathtakingly captivating. Join me as we witness the Rotten H11 harvester and the Rotten H21D pull-behind harvester, with powerful engines and outstanding horsepower, cutting wood on rugged terrain. Their special design allows for easy movement and operation, delivering optimal efficiency in the wood processing work. Watching the Tiger Cat X822D in action is truly a breathtaking display of mechanical power. This specialized forestry machine roars with authority as its saw blade cuts decisively through massive tree trunks. With a powerful engine and agile operation, it transforms towering trees into neat logs in just seconds. We are cutting down a massive 300-year-old oak stump using a powerful chainsaw with an impressive engine and horsepower. The machine operates with great strength, each cut smoothly slicing through the tough tree trunk. creating a scene of raw power and precision. After harvesting the wood, transporting it through challenging terrain is a major challenge. However, working with the old snowmobile equipped with a Magirus 6-cylinder 130 HP engine and a winch capable of handling 41,892 pounds of wood provides the perfect solution. As expected, the TDT-55 with its powerful diesel engine pushes each heavy log out of the forest, working in harmony with the durable Kamaz timber truck. The two machines combine to create superior power, helping to increase the speed of transportation in harsh jungle conditions. In the deep woods of Idaho, the TigerCat 635H, a bogie grapple log hauler with a 300 horsepower engine, shows its superior power. The flexible transmission system helps it pull giant logs through steep, muddy terrain while remaining durable and powerful without stopping. Wow, they thought cutting down a rotten tree would be easy, but it turned into a lesson they'll never forget. The moment the saw touched the trunk, it suddenly snapped and collapsed, sending debris flying everywhere. The cutter panicked and ran as the tree came crashing down dangerously. In the previous video, the machine started working in the snowy mountains. Now, the heavy-duty truck with powerful engine and multi-speed transmission easily conquers steep mountain slopes. The pneumatic braking system and traction control help the vehicle maintain stability when transporting heavy goods on rough terrain. An ideal choice for harsh forest environments. The Logset 6F demonstrates outstanding strength when logging in deep mud conditions. With a high-power engine and optimized drive system, the machine remains flexible, ensuring efficiency and firm grip. Incredible performance. The crane operates powerfully, swiveling smoothly as it loads a dump truck with timber. The engine's roar echoes, and the heavy logs are lifted with ease, showcasing the perfect combination of technique, strength, and precision. Leave a like if you are amazed by the power of modern technology. The black splitter Model S 1 hydraulic with splitting accessory, when mounted on a mini excavator, easily splits hardwood logs in half thanks to its powerful compression force and specialized twist head, improving performance and significantly reducing effort. Witness the incredible power of technology as the custom stump splitter, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, works seamlessly with the transport excavator. At the same time, the excavator expertly positions the stump, crushing through all obstacles, creating a dramatic and powerful spectacle. If you love these adventurous journeys, don't hesitate to leave a comment so I can continue bringing even more exciting explorations your way. Join me on this ride. I promise you won't be disappointed. The mahogany saw is truly a monstrous powerhouse, with its razor-sharp blade and incredibly powerful engine. It effortlessly slices through even the hardest mahogany blocks with speed and precision, leaving anyone who witnesses it in awe of this machine's exceptional strength. Clearing new land, regenerating shrubs, and removing woody weeds, the Prentice Forestry mulcher operates with power, cutting, and trimming with precision. The machine easily lays down forest mulch, clearing large areas of land. It's an impressive sight as the land becomes neat and ready for new growth. The intense struggle of the operators using the Halverson wood processor on the Kubota is absolutely gripping. The machinery roars to life, and the sharp cutting blades slice through large logs. The worker stays focused, hands steady on the controls, battling the challenges of the deep forest, creating a truly dramatic scene. It's amazing to witness the transformation right before your eyes. The Lasco Rolly 10-screw cone splitter roars as it twists deep into the large log, splitting it into smaller pieces. Each powerful turn brings us one step closer to efficient, quick, and impressive firewood processing.